today's video, I will be unboxing an Amazon Echo Show 8. Just purchased this from the Amazon store. And I also brought a stand to go with it to prop it up. So first thing I'm going to do is open this box. See our Amazon smile. And here is our shell with another Amazon smile. So that's kind of cool. I like the packaging. It comes with a plug, which we will need for our setup. And it seems like a nice size wire to go ahead and plug it in from like right here to our Amazon shell. So it has plastic, which we will find a way to remove. Already I like it. I have the Echo 5, and this one is a bigger screen. So the other one is 5 inches. This one is 8 inches. And there's 2 different places to plug, but we're gonna go with the one that's for the particular plug that goes into the wall. So we're gonna plug this in. And if it's like the other Alexas, we should be able to just power her on. And there's the screen. While we're waiting for her to come on, I will open the stand. So we just could kind of see how we're gonna change the look of it by having it propped up a little bit on the stand. Oh, that's kind of sweet. We see the Amazon smile there again. So here's our bottom. And it looks like we could just put it right inside. This is my first time doing this, guys. So there we go. Oh, it tilts too. So there's our shell. It's an easy setup. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe.